Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to add your Lendingclub card to Apple Pay or Google Pay. It's going to be a quick video, so let's get into it. The first thing to do is to open your mobile wallet. On iPhone, you're going to open the Apple Wallet app, but if it's on Android, you're going to open the Google Wallet app or the Google Pay app. Next is to tap Add Card. Just select the option to add a debit or credit card. Next is to enter your Lendingclub card details. You can scan the card with your phone's camera or just enter the number manually. Provide the expiration date, the CVV, and of course the billing address that's linked to your Lendingclub account. Next is the verification step. So Lendingclub is going to send you a one-time verification code by text or email. Just enter the code to confirm that it's really you. Next is to add card added successfully. Now, once you've been verified, your card will appear in your wallet app and you are now ready to make tap to pay purchases anywhere contactless payments are accepted. Lastly, the benefits of mobile wallet payments. The first is secure. Your real card number is never shared with your merchants. It's also convenient. Just tap on your phone or smartwatch to pay. And of course, it's fast. There's no need to carry your physical card everywhere. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.